What would be an idea that I didn't ask you about, that's something that you're struggling with right now, something that is sort of top of mind for you that we didn't go into?
Biggest thing I'm dealing with right now, I've been dealing with my whole life, but becoming more and more aware how important it is to me and finding out it's important to others as well, is this whole weird condition of embodiment, that the soul existed long before you were born. It will exist after you pass. And we're having this, what is it? We're not human beings having a spiritual experience. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. So we're having this embodiment experience. And for many of us, it is inherently traumatizing. To be a spiritual being confined to a physical container is, for most people, it's not deeply disturbing, but there are certain sensitive souls for whom it is deeply disturbing.
I think that some people just don't think about it.
Right. Or they get so deeply immersed in distraction that they can avoid it. They can kick the can down the road, so to speak. So, yeah, I've been thinking a lot about this, about what is the soul in this world in a body for at all? And there's a purpose. There's a greater purpose. We were not sent to this world to torture us. But conversely, we weren't just sent to this world in order to eat ice cream and have a good time. Like, that can't be what it's all about. We were sent to the world for a purpose greater than ourselves, which is to make the world a better place, to make this physical plane the most refined, most lofty, most holy plane of reality, to make the physical world holier than heaven. And we have the ability to have a part in bringing that about. And it's all by doing things that refine the embodiment experience. So specifically, one of the things that helps to integrate the soul and the body is showing up in physical places. We could have done this through Zoom, but we're sitting in the same physical location. We lost a lot of that after the COVID lockdown. It's very important to show up, to bring your body. Nowadays, it's easy to FaceTime people, easy to send a text, but you're in a body for a reason. Bring your body. Get on a plane and show up to somebody's wedding, show up to their birthday party. Bring your body. Meet with people. By the way, people who know me will understand how unnatural this is for me. I'm not saying this because I like to hang out with people. I actually find it really, really exhausting to hang out with people. I'm extremely introverted. And that's why I've had to learn this as one of the big lessons in this lifetime, is bring the body. Another thing, a project that I got involved in, most of my success as a teacher has been virtual platforms, online. But precisely because of this idea, I bought a property, which I didn't have to do. I could have gone completely virtual. I don't have to be brick and mortar, but I actually bought a property last year, which we're in the middle of construction. It's in Queens, New York, and it's going to be, it's not a large facility. It's small, about 1,300 square feet. But the point is to have a physical place to get together and to study and to meet and to have discussions. So one of the things, the basement is going to be my video production facility. So
I'm checking it out when I'm in Queens.
Definitely, when you come to Queens, you'll check it out. I'm scanning all your equipment right now and making my wish list. But
I got it all written down. I'll
have it written down. Excellent. Okay, I'll give it to my AV guy. But physical places, showing up to physical places, so important, because otherwise it's like, why is my soul in a body? What's the point of being a soul in a body? So bring your body to places where you can be of service, where you can make a contribution, where your presence will be appreciated. Probably the most important place to bring your body where your presence will be appreciated is the dinner table with your family. Okay, that's one thing. The other thing, same point, but the other thing you can do to make good use of your embodiment is to really understand how spiritually powerful charity is, because money is material. Even if it's not actual currency or assets, even if it's just like moving numbers from one computer to another, but it procures material resources. You earn it through exertion of your body, even if you're not a manual laborer, but you're burning calories while you're working, right? So when you take that and you turn it into charity, you're converting it from material to spiritual, so to speak, and you're making good use of your embodiment. The souls in heaven can't give charity. So souls and bodies can give charity. Also, another thing, and we mentioned Maimonides is an interesting, the 8 levels of giving. There's another thing Maimonides says, which is the importance of repeated acts of charity. And what that means is, a lot of people don't know this, if you can give in one lump sum, or you can give in installments, it's actually better to give in installments. Now, yeah, it's a counterintuitive. Obviously, if the recipient needs it now, if it's like an urgent matter, so it's better to give it all at once. But I'm saying, let's say somebody's making 10 million a year, they're giving away $1 million a year as a tithe is 10%. So it would actually be better, instead of one lump sum a year, to ritualize it, to make it a regimen, and have as part of your day, every day, to have to click, even if it's a click, but it's a physical movement, like physical exercise, and have to, with $1 million divided by 365, whatever, it's $33,000. And is that what it is? And every day have to, click and wire that 33,000 a day. Probably more like 30,000. The repeated act, the physicalized expression of it, integrates the soul with the body, gives peace to the soul within the body. So these things, really, they will clear up a lot of the existential angst that may be running in the background that we don't even realize we're feeling. But when you're using your body repeatedly, regularly, for a spiritual purpose, it's very healing.
Hey, this is Shais Taub. You were just watching a clip from this class. If you want to get the full context, the full class that this clip that you just watched was from, you watch right here. Click right here. Here.